Hello friends, students, welcome back to my channel Math Sun. As discussed you earlier regarding we have discussed earlier regarding the chapter indices 7th standard. Now we are going to discuss about the joint bar graph, chapter number 7. Joint bar graph means we have to join two graphs in a single graph. As you see in the chapter, they have mentioned Ajay wheat production and Vijay wheat production. They have shown different graphs. So instead of putting the things into different graphs, we can put all those things in single graph. They have shown this in the single graph. In that case, what they have done, they have draw x-axis and y-axis, and Ajay and Vijay wheat production they have shown year wise on x-axis, and the production in quintal they have shown in y-axis. They have mentioned scale on y-axis. This is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 quintal, and this is blue color graph is of Vijay, and the empty box they have shown for Vijay. Now similarly there are different problems they have shown, or examples they have shown. This for class 6 to 10 standard, and they have mentioned boys and girls in each class. At 5th standard how many girls and boys are there, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. They have shown the graphs. They have shown the graphs in x-axis. They have shown the standard 5th standard, 6th standard, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and in y axis they have shown number of students. They have mentioned this is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. They have mentioned 10 students. Now we will straight away go to practice set 31. In practice set 31, problem number 1 is the number of sampling planted by schools on World Tree Day is given in the table. In the table below, draw a joint bar graph to show these figures. You have to show the bar graph, joint bar graph for Nutan Vidyalaya and Bharat Vidyalaya. These are the school names, and name of the samplings are Almond, Karanj, Neem, Ashok and Gulmohar. So you have to write name of the sampling on x-axis, and the school name we will draw in a bar graph. Then you can say number of samplings. These are the name of the samplings, and number of samplings on y-axis. So I will show you how to draw it. This is the graph paper on which we have to draw this. First of all, we have to draw x-axis and y-axis. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. We have to show the arrow over here. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is 0. Now in this chapter they have mentioned name of sampling and school name. Now we have to draw name of sampling: Almond, Karanj, Neem, Ashok and Gulmohar. This is name of sampling, name of sampling. In y-axis, now we are ready to draw this joint bar graph. First of all, there is a almond. First of all, you have to decide the y-axis. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to how much? So on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to, you can take as 10 number of something, 10 number of samplings. Okay, so there are how many samplings are there? Maximum 72. So this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50, this is 60, and this is 70. For almond, there are two school names are there, Nutan Vidyalaya and Bharat Vidyalaya. First of all, we will draw Nutan Vidyalaya. Nutan Vidyalaya will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 number of samplings. So we will start from here. Nutan Vidyalaya is almond. First of all, we will draw the joint bar graph for almond. For almond, Nutan Vidyalaya is having 40 number of samples and Bharat Vidyalaya is having 42 number of samplings is 42. So for almond, Nutan Vidyalaya is having 40. 40 comes here. This is 40. This is 40. Now Bharat Vidyalaya is having 42 samplings. So for almond, Bharat Vidyalaya is having 42 samplings. 40. This is 42. So we can draw like this. 42. Okay, how you can differentiate Nutan Vidyalaya and Bharat Vidyalaya? We will do one thing. We will draw Nutan Vidyalaya in a dark shade. So here we can write dark shade. So this is dark bar graph is of Nutan Vidyalaya. Nutan Vidyalaya, and this hollow bar graph is of Bharat Vidyalaya. So this is for almond. This sampling is of almond. So we can write here almond. Now next is Karanj. So we'll draw from here. Karanj is Nutan Vidyalaya 60 and Bharat Vidyalaya is 38. So first of all we'll draw 60. It will start from here. This is 60. This is 60. And Bharat Vidyalaya is having 38 sampling. 38 means this is 30, 35, then it will come over here. So it is 38. So this is Karanj. Similarly, we have to draw. This is just for identification, so that we have shown dark area for Nutan Vidyalaya, and without darkness it is Bharat Vidyalaya. So we have to identify which school name is there. Okay. Now third one is Neem. Neem. In Neem, Nutan Vidyalaya is 72 samplings and Bharat Vidyalaya is 60 samplings. So we have to draw first 72. This is 72. This is 72 means we have to write here 80 because it is going above 70. So we will draw here. This is 72. This is 72. This is 72. Now Bharat Vidyalaya is having 60 sampling. 60 will straight away come here. This is Neem. This is Neem. Just for identification, you have to make it dark. Now two are remaining, Ashok and Gulmohar. Ashok is having 15 sampling for Nutan Vidyalaya. 15 samplings is 10. This will come here 15. This is 15. Now Bharat Vidyalaya is having 25. 25 means this will come over here. This is 25. This is 25. So this is for Ashok. For identification, we will do make it dark. This is Ashok. Now last one is Gulmohar. Gulmohar for Nutan Vidyalaya it is 42. 42 means from here 42. Here will come 40, 41 and 42. This is 42. This is 42 for Nutan Vidyalaya. Now for Bharat Vidyalaya, Gulmohar is 40 samplings. 40 samplings, 40 will come over here. So this is 40. This is 40. For identification, we will just make it dark. So this is Gulmohar. Now hope you have understood it. I have shown you how to drag joint bar graph. We have solved first problem. Now we will go for the second problem. We have solved first problem. Now we will go for second problem. First of all, we have to draw XY axis as explained you earlier. Now we will solve the problem number 2. The mention the table below show the number of people who had the different juices at a juice bar on Saturday and Sunday. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. So they have given the consumption. Show the number of people who had the different juices at a juice bar. So Saturday and Sunday, what is the consumption of sweet lime? 43, and Sunday 59. Orange is 30, 65. Apple 56, 78. Pineapple 40 and 67. So you have to draw a bar chart, joint bar chart for the Saturday and Sunday fruits consumption. So we have to draw here the fruit consumption and here number of days. This is, first of all, we will draw X. This is X axis. This is Y axis. This is 0. Now first of all we will draw, this is fruit juice. Now here number of days, number of people. The table shows the number of people who had different juices. These are the number of people. Here we will write down number of people. Now first of all there is a sweet lime. We have to draw, first of all, this is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 people. This is 10th, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40. So likewise you have to write down the maximum is 67. So we have to just shift this. So this is 50, this is 60, this is 70, this is 80. This is number of people. Now first of all we will go for sweet lime juice. First of all, on Saturday there is a consumption of people. How many people were there for sweet lime? 43. So this is 40. 1, 2, 3. This is 43. This is 43. Okay. This is 43 for sweet lime. Now for Sunday there are 59. 59 means this is 59. This is 59. One centimeter is equal to 10 people. So now there are two joint bar graph are there. One is having, we will show it in shaded. One will be having shaded graph. This is for Saturday. This is for Saturday, and without shade it is for Sunday. Now this is for sweet lime. This is for sweet lime. Now second one is for orange. We will leave 2 centimeter distance between them. It is not necessarily, it is not essential to keep the 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter. It is up to individual how much distance we are keeping. We have to maintain the same distance between the two joint bar graph. Now the second one is orange, that is 30. On Saturday there is a concern of 30. So 30 is here. 30. Now for Sunday, orange juice consumption, or say our people over there for orange juice, 65. This is 60 and this is 65. So this is 65. This is 65. Okay. Just for identification you have to give the shade. It is not necessary that you have to give the shade. You can show it from by cross line also. By cross line also you can show it. Now this is orange. This is orange. Now third one is apple. Apple. Saturday there were 56 people for apple juice. 56 means we start from here. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 56. It will come here. 56. Okay, 56. Now for Sunday there is a apple consumption is of 78. 78. This is 56, then 78. This is 70, 75, then 78. 8 here. This is 78. This is 78. This is for this is for apple. Apple. Just for identification, you can make it dark. As told you earlier, there is no need to make it dark always. You can show it by cross line also. Just to identify, one must differentiate between the two graphs and nothing else. The last one is pineapple. Pineapple for Saturday it is 40 people. 40 means this is 30. This is 40. This is 40. Okay, this is 40. Now for pineapple Sunday there were 67 people. 67 means this is 60, 65, 67 come over here. 67. This is for pineapple. Just draw, make it dark just to identify it. Now this problem is over. So hope by these two problems we will come to know how to draw a joint bar graph. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. If you have any problems or remarks, then please comment to me. So next time we will go for a different chapter, that is chapter number 8, algebraic expression and operation on them. Okay, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Maths Sand. If you have any just I told you, if you have any query, then please comment me, and please like my channel and give a subscription. Subscription is just not for the subscription will motivate me to make more channels for all the students. And if you have any query, then please comment me. Thank you very much.